Mini USA announces the expansion of its John Cooper Works (JCW) accessories lineup, available through the Port Installation Program, giving customers a more seamless and integrated way to personalize their Mini before it even arrives at the dealership. With select JCW accessories now available via port installation, customers can enhance their vehicle with factory-approved components that deliver OEM quality, full warranty coverage, and immediate enjoyment from the moment they take delivery. Mini customers are passionate about performance and personal expression, and the John Cooper Works brand sits right at the intersection of both, said Vikash Joshi, Product Manager, Mini USA. By expanding JCW accessories through our port installation program, we're making it easier than ever for customers to receive a Mini that's already tailored to their driving style, without compromising quality, warranty coverage, or convenience. The expanded JCW accessories offering includes JCW Aero components, designed to enhance aerodynamic efficiency while elevating visual impact. JCW Aero elements deliver a motorsport-inspired look that complements Mini's iconic design and reinforces its performance-driven DNA. JCW Sport suspension, engineered for sharper handling and enhanced road feedback, the JCW Sport suspension lowers the vehicle's center of gravity for a more planted stance and more engaging driving dynamics, without sacrificing everyday comfort. JCW Rally Spoke 964 18-inch wheels in frozen midnight grey. A bold nod to Mini's rally heritage, the lightweight 18-inch Rally Spoke 964 wheels combine striking design with performance-focused construction, offering both visual distinction and functional advantage. Factory-approved customization, simplified. By offering these JCW accessories through the Port Installation Program, Mini enables customers to personalize their vehicles earlier in the ownership journey, eliminating the need for post-delivery installation. Accessories installed via this program are fully integrated into the vehicle build, covered by Mini's comprehensive warranty, and reflected on official vehicle documentation. In addition to port installation, these accessories are also available for purchase and dealer installation on vehicles sold from dealer inventory or already delivered, providing added flexibility for current Mini owners. This expansion underscores Mini's ongoing commitment to delivering authentic performance, meaningful customization, and seamless ownership experience tailored to driving enthusiasts. For more information on John Cooper Works accessories available through the Port Installed program, customers are encouraged to contact their local Mini dealer or visit www.miniusa.com. Accessory list, product description, port code, MSRP 18 inches. JCW Rally Spoke 964 in frozen midnight grey 0ZV $02,935. JCW Chili Red Bonnet Stripes 0Z91 $225. JCW Chili Red Boot Stripes 0Z92 $235. JCWC Pillar Trim in Black High Gloss 0Z2X $635. JCW Exhaust Tip in Carbon Fiber 0Z6M $560. JCW Floating Center Caps 0ZEX $190. JCW Front Winglets in Black High Gloss 0Z17 $560. JCW Rear Diffuser in Black High Gloss 0Z23 $715. JCW Rear Winglets in Black High Gloss 0Z02 $415. JCW roof spoiler in black high gloss with chili red accents, 0Z38, $670. JCW side skirts in black high gloss, 0Z3R, $565. JCW sport suspension, 0Z58, $2,930. JCW Pro Textile floor mats, 0ZE8, $250. JCW toe strap, 0ZRK, $270. Includes labour costs for port installation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest mini news, advice and reviews.